Very good morning, friends. I am Narnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Yesterday's price action, if you see that, it was, I am on the 4-hourly chart, and this was previous day candle. It was a liquidity sweep. You can see over here. The market moved higher than this, higher than this. That is the high of the day before yesterday's candle was 25,370. It moved up to 25,440. Okay. It moved up to 25,440. It took the liquidity. It could not go to the previous to mother candle. Previous to this was an inside bar on Friday, and it could not go to the top of 25,458. Just it swept the liquidity. From there, market started coming down, breaking below this boundary of the mother candle. The boundary was 24,937. The market had rallied not from here. So it took away the range, came down below the range, 24,957. From there, it was almost, the low was just an 182 points fall, but it looked so huge that because it went up to 25,438 and then fell up to 24,000. You can see there 25,000. What is the low? 24,721, and this is the low, 24,571. Let me mark this. Price label, price note. This was the liquidity sweep, and then closed inside, giving an illusion that it is going to turn around. This is a different type of price action. One, it is a liquidity sweep candle, but it has come down to this level. So again, it tested this level and closing near the low of the day. That is, it made a low of 24,721 and closed around 24,768. So it is a liquidity sweep candle and it is an imbalance. This candle is an imbalance, and with my indicator, I'm showing you where is the position of the market. This is the value area low and value area high. For this area, this is the point of control. That is around 25,171. And this is the from here to here, from where it has broken down. Value area high, point of control, and this one is value area low, 25,294. From there, market has broken down, and there is every possibility market retracing back and testing this point of control, because the value area low is here. This is the value area low. That is exactly around, and let me label it with the price note, 24,777. Market has closed inside this. While closing 24,825, adjustment close. Here record close was 24,768 and the point of value area low is, and this, since it is an imbalance candle, okay, this is the range, actually range it has broken. What the market will do is, this is the range, don't confuse with the value area low. Let me remove this. Probably market may try to test the point of control, or otherwise it can test the value area low here, 24,990. So let me make it black. So market can come up to 24,990 or 25,170. There are 117, 25,117, and yeah, this is the exact level. 25,100 it is giving. So it can come up to 25,171 and 25,100, or it can halt around 24,985. The range may be, today's trade range may be within this trade. Suppose if the market starts breaking below this low, there is more to go on the market. The Nifty can test 24,053. That is during the future level. See, though it appears 800 points fall, but it has broken below 150 to 200 points below the previous range, that is 24,980. If you, from the 24,918, the range of fall was here, that is 217 points from there, and 202 points has been recovered, and another two we can anticipate for measured move of recovery that comes to 24,988. So today, if it gaps up, it is the resistance. The next resistance is 25,100. Market can move within this range, 25,171 to 24,777. That is around 200 to 250 points range is there. When there is a range, wide range, there is an opportunity for the option buyers. Option buyers can trade because the range is very high. So they get to trade if they time the market properly. You can time the market properly with my indicator. This is the market memory POC, and I'm going to enable the rolling pivot. Rolling pivot is showing the horizontal type of move. That is, means it is going sideways. It is a big, huge red candle. Red candle, let me change it to intraday time frame, that is 4 hour. Let me go to the 15 minutes. On 15 minutes time frame, it is away from this. First, it will the whatever the market will do, even if it gaps up or does like this, it will be just like, it will be a range trade within the, you can see over here, 25,073 to 25,110. This may be the range of trade. It may do like that. First, it may do like that, and it may go up like this, and it trade within the range. So on 15 minutes, this is the scenario, and the point of control is around 25,230. Let me change the time frame to 5 minutes. Even on the 5 minutes also rolling pivot is showing. So for you people, the immediate level on the 5-minute is 24,957. So still it is bearish, but it has to pick up. So this is an imbalance, friends. From here, 25,000 to 24,882 is an imbalance. It takes time. There will be a time-wise movement, sideways movement. Maybe market may explore this level 25,101, because you can see the market from this, it has gone up to this, and it is a huge come down, and then it can try to retrace at least 25,108. So, but the thing is, it will be range type of movement you can anticipate within this area 25,100 to 25,719. So it will be a sideways type of movement, range type of movement, and the range low is a buy, range high is a sell. So that type of strategy you need to adopt for trading on today. So finally, we will get to know, since it is a breakdown from this area, there is some type of time pass will be there in the market. Either it may take 2 days or 1 day. It may time pass within the range of 25,700 to within the this range. It may go sideways till the expiry, weekly expiry. Later we need to see how the market will develop. But it has shown weakness, friends. It has shown weakness. Let me hide the indicators. Hide the indicators. Go to the daily. Daily, if you go to the daily time frame, see, it has come down to almost come down to this compression area. This is the compression area, and if the market starts coming below this, there is liquidity here. So we can anticipate market moving to 24,153. If it takes the liquidity beneath this, it has got, it will gain momentum to trade higher. If it comes down, takes the liquidity, then market has got a chance to move above this boundary to the next level. This is natural process, friends. The market has come down and it has moved up. And if I take the whole picture I'm showing, if I take this one, let me color, let me go to the, if I take this is the 50 point. This is the pivot, 24,092. So we can anticipate market coming down to 24,092, and that is the balance level. If it comes over there, market can reverse there. So friends, actually, and the market has not finished its downward journey. There is more to go in the market. Always, this is the compression area. Compression area beneath this compression, there is liquidity lying over here. Long-term liquidity lying over here. Market can come down and seek this liquidity, that is around 24,053. So we can anticipate market coming down to the lower levels, and at present it will be a roller coaster ride within the range. It will pass time, and there is no investment chance for any stocks. Actually, I went through all except few stocks like IT stocks, Nifty IT index, let me show here. See, this has taken liquidity beneath this IT index. So it has taken liquidity beneath this, and a dozy type of candle formed here. It is till that it is also within a range, but some sort of positivity we can see in the IT index. IT index has come down and it has taken liquidity and closed inside. For temporarily, IT index is positive, out of which let us some few stocks you can consider for trade like TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. Say you can see the TCS on daily basis. It has gone above this range yesterday and closed near the range, closed near this range. So there is every possibility this, TCS can move higher to the next level. So we can consider TCS. Let me enable my indicator, rolling pivot. First, let me hide this POC first. And just with the rolling pivot, you can see here, let me zoom it. Let me enable show rolling pivots. So still it is neutral. It is neutral and Gan Helio. It is below the Gan Helio. But price is above the pivot point. This is the pivot point. Pivot is 3155. 3155. Suppose if it holds this level on an intraday basis, let me go to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, you are seeing a huge the trend reversal, and if it tests 3158 to 3140, it is a buying going long chance for today in the market. This stock is one stock you can keep it in your watch list for today's trade. And apart from that, Infosys. I located Infosys also. Infosys also showing some sort of positive thing. Let me go to the daily. Out of IT stocks here on daily basis, it is positive. It is better than TCS. The structure is better than TCS, and if the point of control is around 1649, 1649, let me go to the hourly or 15 minutes chart. It has come down, and if it holds this level, this is the structure actually. In from here to here, it has moved. It can give you very good move in the market. It is positive. It may come down. It may come down. It doesn't mean that it may come down even to this level. 1625 to 1640, then you can consider the movement. Already it has closed 1654.42. Intraday basis it has closed. IT stocks are better. That's what I've seen in the IT stocks. Let me go to the IT. Other stocks I didn't do that. Let me check for the Jubilant Food. Jubilant Food on daily, we'll see. No, Jubilant, they are not ready. Indian hotel, we can consider it is making an attempt above the pivot. Pivot is still neutral, though it has closed. There is a chance of reversal in this Indian hotel. And ITC hotel, no. So few stocks you can consider. Prestige estates. You can keep it in your watch list. Prestige estate. Let me make it green. This is one stock you can consider because it has crossed above and closed higher. This is a positive thing you can see on a weekly basis. This is the weekly pivot. And let us check DLF. No. DLF still needs to, they are ready actually, some sort of reversal they are showing. Realty sector, we can consider some stocks. Shobha is there. So let us check Tata Power. Tata Power, it showed a positive movement and climbed above this, and it is a retest. So if it holds, these power stocks can be kept in your watch list. Tata Power. Let us take NTPC Green, no. Adani Energy Solution, no. Power Grid, no. JSW Energy, no. Okay, let us go to Berger Paints, no. Asian Paints, no. Few stocks I'm selecting. Let us see HPCL. HPCL is showing some sort of uh, price above the pivot, still the trend is down, but some type of pullback rally you can see from 431 to 441. Still the trend is negative, but you can anticipate for some sort of pullback rally. So I need to enable the point of control. If I enable the point of control, and if let me go to the point of control to the we instead of weekly, let us see yearly point of control, then it can rally. It has taken resistance, it can rally up to 449. We can consider the rally in this. BPCL, ONGC. ONGC is a stock which moved higher and it is coming back and retesting. Even this stock can also be considered. ONGC. What about the Reliance? Reliance, no. Oil India, yes, it has moved so much. It is a retracement. Sometimes retracement will be a buying opportunity. There is imbalance over here. It may come down still further. So like that, some few stocks are positive. We can consider like IT stocks, two IT stocks like that, two stocks. Uh, Infosys and TCS can be considered, out of which TCS is better placed when compared to the Infosys on an intraday basis. So Wipro, let us see what is Wipro doing. Wipro is above. It has moved above, and there may be continuation of this Wipro on an intraday basis. So like that, you can consider few stocks in the pharma sector. Lupin, no. Sun Pharma, no. Torrent Pharma, yes, you can consider Torrent Pharma is showing positive thing. So Torrent Pharma can be kept in your watch list. So like if I go on and on, there will be a lot of things. I'm not going to do that. Anyway, what I have shown you what is the picture of the Nifty, and I have told you with the help of POC and all, we can make out what it is doing. And Divis Laboratories had gone below the yearly pivot now. It tried to move above the yearly pivot and it is making an attempt. We can consider this. This is the yearly pivot. If it tries to move above the yearly pivot, point of control, and if it stays above, price above, we can consider for reversal. We can consider for swing trade in Divis Laboratory. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. Wish you all profitable day. So it is a range day trading. So buy at low, sell at